Now coming first to continuous spectrum, so it is also known as Bremsstrahlung radiation, white radiation or breaking radiation. Now what does this Bremsstrahlung means? So Brems means to break, okay, and Strahlung means radiation, so it is known as breaking radiation. Now it is the radiation given off by a charged particle due to its acceleration caused by an electric field of another charged particle. So this GIF is to make you understand better. Now X-rays are produced by high energy electron bombarding a target, and especially targets that have high proton number, okay. So when bombarding electron penetrates into the target, so the one which is coming from here is bombarding electron and this one is target. When bombarding electron penetrates into the target, some electron travel close to the nucleus, okay. So this is close to the nucleus due to the attraction of its positive charge and are subsequently influenced by its electric field. Now here in this GIF it's quite more clear. So the bombarding electron penetrates into the target and some electron travel close to the nucleus due to the attraction of the positive charge and are subsequently influenced by the electric field, okay. So the cores of these electrons would be deflected, so you can see it is deflected, okay, and a portion or all of their kinetic energy would be lost, okay. So this is exactly the same point which I am trying to make you understand, that the moving particle loses kinetic energy which is converted into radiation, that is photon, thus satisfying the law of conservation of energy. So we all know law of thermodynamics, and it says that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but it can just be converted from one form to another. So this continuous spectrum, it is one of the most common mechanism, and around 70 to 80% production of X-rays occur by this continuous spectrum. So once again I am repeating, when bombarding electron penetrates into the target, some electron travel close to the nucleus due to the attraction of the positive charge and are subsequently influenced by the electric field, okay. The cores of these electrons will be deflected and a portion or all of their kinetic energy would be lost, and this phenomena is known as continuous spectrum or Bremsstrahlung radiation.